members of the online UFO community have reacted with disbelief and an outpouring of ridicule to the claim by marine biologists that they have finally solved the decades-old puzzle about a mysterious low-frequency humming sound that emanates from the depths of the Pacific Ocean, and is described by the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, NOAA, as a long train of narrow-band upsweeping sounds of several seconds duration. UFO researchers have also accused marine biologists of colluding with the government to cover up the fact that the mysterious sound emanating from the depths of the Pacific, dubbed upsweep, is evidence of yet another gigantic alien base located deep below the Pacific Ocean. The mysterious sound, the subject of a myriad of theories in the scientific community and wild speculation in the UFO conspiracy theory community, was first detected by the NOAA's Equatorial Autonomous Hydrophone Arrays in August 1991. After NOAA announced the discovery, UFO researchers argued that it was typical of sounds emitted by artificial electronic devices and thus that it points to the existence of a massive underwater alien base that could only have been constructed by advanced technology from an extraterrestrial source. But ignoring the arguments by UFO researchers, scientists debated on the nature of the noise, putting forward conflicting theories about what could be generating it, even as they conducted searches to determine its source. Suggestions put forward in the past by scientists about the source of the noise include whales and other unknown marine species, vibrations from marine vessels and unknown geological phenomenon. A research team now claims that the sound which permeates the entire Pacific Ocean comes from millions of sea creatures in the deep-sea mesopelagic zone, about 660 feet to 3,300 feet, releasing gas from their swim bladders as they emerge from the depths to feed at the nutrient-rich surface. According to the lead researcher Simon Bowman Pickering, the sound is not that loud, it sounds like a buzzing or humming, and that goes on for an hour to 2 hours, depending on the day. Because the sound appeared to occur uniformly across the Pacific Ocean, scientists had previously ruled out that it was coming from a localized source in the depths of the Pacific Ocean. But marine researchers were able to confirm that the intensity of the sound showed a pattern of seasonal variation, peaking in the spring and fall. Many researchers said that the observation of seasonal variation could be an important clue about our source, and others suggested it could be due simply to the fact that sound travels through water at different rates across the seasons. After some researchers suggested that it could be linked to volcanic activity, other researchers conducted searches to determine the source of the noise and tentatively suggested that it originated from an isolated locale in the southern Pacific, roughly 54 degrees south 140 degrees west. The new research study by marine biologists with the Scripps Institution of Oceanography, University of California, San Diego and the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, NOAA, led by Simone Bowman Pickering, now claims that the mysterious low-frequency buzzing in the Pacific Ocean is caused by daily migration of the massive community of marine species from the deeper mesopelagic layers to the surface. The deep-sea creatures migrate under the cover of darkness to the surface to feed and then return to the depths at dawn. Bowman Pickering compared the experience of the sound that starts at dusk to sitting on an airplane and its humming, buzzing. The sound, according to scientists, is caused mostly by gas discharged from swim bladders that control the buoyancy of sea creatures as they change depth. But UFO researchers have ridiculed the suggestion that the mysterious humming from the depths of the Pacific is due to fish fatting as they rise to the surface of the ocean to feed. UFO researchers claim that the sound is due to signals emitted by electronic equipment and accuse scientists of colluding with government to cover up evidence of a previously unknown, underwater alien base much larger than the Dulce underground base located beneath Mount Archuleta near the town of Dulce, close to the Colorado-New Mexico border. UFO conspiracy theorists raised questions such as, why did millions of marine organisms suddenly decide to start generating sounds in 1991 and not before? Why did the sound peak in strength in 1994 and has since then been waning? How did scientists suddenly determine it was made by deep-sea creatures after previous research had concluded that no known marine creatures make such sound? UFO theorists also noted the fact that the sound was so strange that many marine experts speculated that it could be from a species of marine life yet to be identified.